Back guys. So today, since it's a bit of a rainy day, I might just do the wheel bearings on the VY and might get the water pump on since I'm waiting for the head gasket to turn up and all the other parts. I've cleaned up most of it, just got to get that cleaned, that head, do the valves, and yeah. There we go, got one wheel bearing out. Time to put the new one in. There you have it. One wheel bearing for the passenger side done. New day. Wheel bearings on, new water pump. Cleaned up the deck a bit. It's just a wire brush on a drill. Head gasket finally turned up today. So now it's just getting all this cleaned up and getting all together by the rest of on the weekend. There we have it, guys. All set back up, all running. Still need a few more other parts in time to come, but at least it's back on the road. Thanks for watching.